Yep. Good.
So this is week 3 of beginning Lindy Hop. We did a bunch of review for you guys in the beginning, where we just reviewed what we did last week. And then 1, 2, we reviewed the swing off from closed. And since we had a couple of questions about that, maybe we'll show that. Leaders, we did a momentum exercise, talked a little bit about the momentum to follow, where we had her moving the center somewhere. Then we talked about how leaders can provide like a wall that stops, or doesn't really stop you. I'm always going.
She's really going in that one direction, so if I let go, she's still moving that one direction. Or we can redirect.
And so when you lead a swing out from close, the idea, it follows, we have to get used to this idea too, it's kind of difficult for us. The idea is that he's sending me backwards into that hand and asking me to connect into that hand with that little bit of momentum going backwards. And that's why ladies were always seeking that hand on the 3 and 4, as the leader is swinging in front on the 3 and 4. Now on the 5, 6, 7, 8, of course he swings us through and sends us back to the inside of the circle and goes back to the outside of the circle. After that, we did the around the world with points with you guys. It's a very classic, wonderful trick. 1, 2,
And we switch places.
4. So everything feels like a basic to me up until he catches my shoulder instead of my arm. Now, ladies, I always dance with my hands up and off my body so that he can find my back on the swing out. I didn't mention this in class, no one asked it, but sometimes I get asked this question of, well, how do I know if he's going to catch there or here? It doesn't matter to me. I'm always like this. It's wherever he wants to catch me. Right? Same chain. From there, once we're here, we're in this like parallelogram position.
Leaders, I want you to think about going to the right. You're going to start as you take that step on the right foot, moving that chest, that left arm going up and over her head. And count 6, there's a follow through, a bit of a throw behind our body.
6.
And then we're rotating in place. So we meet back up.
One more time from a different angle. So now we're going across this way. And leaders, remember you want to turn away from your hand. So Seth is turning away from the hand and go over my head. And then he throws the hand. And because I have frame, it sends the whole of me when he throws that hand behind his back. It doesn't just throw my hand. And then we have points. You come in first with the leg you would normally be rock stepping on. So
Opposite leg, opposite arm. Okay.
point at each other, and then we swing it out and point away from each other. And we point back at each other, give each other a serious look, and shake it all about for the 5, 6, 7, and 8. All together, it looks like this with counts. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Step, step, triple step, 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 triple step. Swing it in, and swing it out, and shake it all about. And then you can just go into your normal swing ups. 5, 6, triple step. That's what we did tonight, guys. Study and practice.